forces out Yaboyo past to begin while Gold and Diamond was left behind. Virgin Island takes the lead. Danori inside Boyo. Storm in the middle. Chabacana. Don Don's entry. And on the outside, Speed of the Wind. Laberopol. Pandora. Next in line. Rose and Fire. Red Hot Water. Good Hope and Simple Beauty. Into the turn they go. Virgin Island takes the lead by about a length. Boyo in second. Storm in the middle. Moving up Don Don's entry. And on the outside now, Speed of the Wind, Chabacana, Laberopol, Pandora, Red Hot Water, Rose and Fire, Good Hope and Simple Beauty still racing in last. They swing into the back. Virgin Island by about a length and a half. Don Don Sentry in second. Speed of the Wind. Laberopol moving up. Boyo. Pandora is Storm in the middle. Red Hot Water comes next. Chabacana. Virgin Island by about 3/4 of a length. Pandora is on the outside. Laberopol in the middle. Moving up by the rail now is Boyo. Red Hot Water in fifth. Virgin Island moving up. Pandora on the outside. Red Hot Water now coming closer in third. It's now Pandora, Virgin Island, Red Hot Water now in third. Pandora, Virgin Island, Red Hot Water moving up. Rose and Fire outside. But it's still Pandora over Virgin Island, Rose and Fire, and finally Pandora, Virgin Island, Rose and Fire, Red Hot Water.
So si